Greetings, my friends. Here is a super quick tutorial video. Boy, am I going to have a bunch of these that shows you how to get a hold of me, how to send me a message in Schoology. So basically, if you go to my intro folder, there is something called How Can You Reach Me? Now, it's actually going to have this video in it, and it also gives you my email in case your elders need it. It tells you that I have open office hours, and we'll be able to schedule meetings there for you or elders, and I'll be sending an email about that later. And don't worry about the bottom. Here is the short version of how to get a hold of me. Take the magic happy pointer and look for the envelope. Click on the envelope. Click on the envelope. Okay, click twice. Now, this happens to be a message from Friday, December 21st of 2018. So maybe I should clean up my inbox. Okay, for you guys, click on New Message. Now, you're going to send it to me. And if you just type in my first name, which is Chris, or if you type in my last name, which is Newby, Newby, then I will pop up. But I am going to send a message to my good friend Carlota, who is the other fifth grade teacher, Lota. So I type that in, and look, there's a whole bunch of Carlotas, and hers still says Columbine. Mine might still say Heatherwood, which is where I taught last year, and I'm just going to click on that. Okay. Now, subject. This is really important. You need to be as specific in the subject as you can. So let's say that I need help translating a document into Spanish, because Ms. Hernandez knows exactly how to do that. She speaks Spanish. She's really good at it. Then here in the message, I would say, which document? I might say, how soon I need to do it. I might say, now I know I'm not capitalizing, I'm not using periods, but this is an example and I'm not really going to send it. I might say, I am free at 12 p.m., which is the same as noon. Okay, so you can do that. Now there's another thing you can do. Check this out. If you push that, you could send me a voice message. You could send me a voice and face message, okay? So that's a possibility. So there's all kinds of other stuff you can do too. But that's how you send me a message. As soon as I send it back, your envelope will have a yellow circle with a number in it. If you only have one message back, then it'll just have the number 1. But that's it. That's the fast way to get a hold of me. And then I will get back to you as soon as I can. And my guaranteed pinky promise is I will get back to you within 24 hours at the very latest. So click on the envelope, send me an email, tell me what you need. I'll get right back to you. Thanks.